In SolidWorks, you can add a tab to a sheet metal part using a sketch and the Base Flange tab command. Here I am in a sheet metal part. I have a sketch already created. This sketch is a closed loop with another closed loop inside of it. And one of the edges of the sketch is coincident with one of my sheet metal part edges. I will click on the Base Flange tab command, and now I'm prompted to select a plane, a planar face, or an edge on which to sketch the feature cross-section, or an existing sketch to use for the feature. I will click my existing sketch. Now you can see a preview of the geometry. Here we have a drop-down list for where we can specify the start, whether it's the sketch plane, surface, face plane, vertex, or offset. And we have our sheet metal parameters. The thickness is grayed out because it is taking the thickness from the part. The direction was automatically determined. There is a button to reverse the direction, but that will probably cause a failure. We are merging the result, and there is a symmetric option. For the feature scope, well, I'm using auto select for that. Everything is set up. I will click on the check mark, and now we have our tab added to the sheet metal part.